guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this solar motion activated security light. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified of my new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So again, I have here a solar motion activated security light, and I got this one from Costco. And again, let's see what's in the box. And again, later on, I'm gonna install this one outside of my house, and we'll see how it looks like. And but again, for the price of $40, I think, in Costco, not bad, hey. But again, so what's in the box here? It seems like there's a solar panel of 4.5 meters or 14.7 feet wire, 2 rechargeable lithium batteries, and a motion and a mounting hardware. So again, we're gonna start this one here. We'll see. So this is very brand new. I got stickers here. Take this one out. There you go. One more. So so there you go. So we'll see again what's in the box. Ta-dang. Wow, this is awesome here. So again, here's the documents, the manual installation, what's in the box, and we're gonna need that one later on. Plus, this is the unit here. So this is the unit. I'll take this one out. I don't need this. And again, and also this is it. And they have a screw and screw for your mounting, and actually it's only 3 items here. What's the other one? Okay, so again, it's only this. It's 4.5 meters of wire, and again, you can mount this one anywhere. And again, it is only that way or that way. That's it. And yeah, so. Yeah. So again, this is it. Very long wire. And there's 3 screws that you can put it in here. 1, 2, 3. So again, this is the light. One thing again, this is the sensor, plus here's the plate at the back. So all you have to do is just to screw 2 holes here on the wall, and then again make sure that when you install this one there's a clearance, or else it's kind of hard for you to put it in and lock. Okay, and then there's a tab here, and then you can tap that one and then release. And also there's a battery here at the back in case it's gonna be run out. Plus again, this one here, it rotates whatever direction you want to. And the sensor itself, it's run about 180 degrees. So it's gonna be nice. And again, it's directional. Whatever direction you want to put it in, you can put it in the middle. What? And again, also this bottom one, you can up and down. This one here, it's side in any direction you want to. It's very neat. Yeah, so I'm so excited to install this one in front of my house or in my garage. And again, later on, we're gonna see how it looks during the nighttime. It's bright light. And again, on the bottom here, it's the controls. It's on the bottom of the sensor. So here's the what is that? Test. You can put it in 30 seconds, 60, 120 second, and that's the timer. And again, you can put in a high, medium, or low, medium, and high for your lights. So again, you can put it in 2000 lumen or 10,000 lumen. So it depends on 1000, 2000 lumen or 1000 lumen. So the brightness that you can control your light. Okay, so it's very nice, man, for 40 bucks. Not bad, maybe, but we're gonna try this one later on. So yeah. So, and guys, if you want more videos on my channel, you can watch my other videos. And again, if you have any comment and suggestion, just comment below. And again, if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please do subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new uploaded on my channel. And again, for the $40 range of this light, probably it's okay, right? So price is right, probably. It's all plastic materials and everything. So again, we'll see. And this is, so there you go, guys. So again, it's too dark here, and we're going to see how bright is the solar motion light. Okay, so again, I'm gonna wave here so we can see. Whoa, look at that. Wow, that was so bright. And again, this settings is about 1 minute. And look at that, it's so bright. Wow, this is amazing, hey? So again, this is about $44.99 in Costco, and it's really good lights. Look at that, it's LED, and again, this is the solar lights. So again, it's really good lights, really good, like it. So we're gonna try if this will be turned off in 60 seconds, because the settings right now is 60 seconds, and we'll see if it will turn off in 60 seconds. So I think it's 20 seconds more, and this will be off. Yeah, there you go. So again, it's off. That was 60 seconds, and I was thinking to go far and how about the sensors here, but again, if I'm gonna go walk, here's my hands here, right? You can see that. So there you go. So yeah, again, one thing I like it's here in front of my house, and the light is good. Look at that, it's too bright. And I'm gonna go here again, stay here for a while. We'll see if maybe about from here to there, probably about 10 meters going to the door, and we'll just go here. We're just gonna hide here, so at least there's no motion, and we'll wait in 20 seconds again, and it will turn off, and then we go pass by. We'll see how long is the range for the motion sensor that it will sense person in maybe how many meters, probably. But again, where I'm standing right now, it's about 10 meters away. Okay, so there you go, it's already off, and I'm gonna pass here. We'll see. Whoops, that's 10 meters. Closer, closer, closer. 5 meters. Yeah, so basically it's about maybe about 5 meters away to there, to the lights and before it kicks for the motion. So again, this is a weather assistant, and again, the direction range is about 180, and also it's an adjustable lamp head, and also AC to mount. So, but again, guys, thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing on this LED light. And this is NoyTebs. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.